smells bad now. Smells bad and then around the downstairs, upstairs, and front of this house, and then down to the garage. They're spinning. There's the spinning stuff for the NFL bag. There's two. Who could be stay there? She could be staying there from behind, and Yoshi's taking the haircut with Nomadic brother, sister, or cousins. I'm gonna say this. Stay downstairs and stay with the dogs. You know, I just want to know to make sure to say stay with them. And Mr. Dory didn't do anything. Is that Frankie? Holy! I can hear it. I just wanted to know. Close the door. I can't smell this shit. Okay. Just gonna close the door. Look at this. Look at this room. It's kind of been messed up. There's 7-Eleven. There's AM/PM. This is the stuff. Dude, get upstairs. Go. Get upstairs. Go. I'm closing your door to get you out. I'm not gonna get you out of there. Alright. Should have been filming and it should have been filming on this Yoshi's haircut and homemade. Did not notice it about where Clipper's head. And my brother, sister, and cousins didn't wear the mask on. Want to smell that? It gets about noses to get sick. Sparking around the Bella's room. Up there. I'll let Jack into the Bella's room. That's where they're gonna be think about it. What is it going on? Sparking around for very jacked up. They're hijacked up. It is a hijack. You're Jack-o'-lantern. Yoshi. Frankie's gonna help Bella buy Bella the Benny. Frankie needs to help Benny and Bella. Let's see how it goes there.